Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to H1 FY24 Result Conference Call of Mangalam Worldwide Limited, hosted by Kirin Advisors. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then 0 on your touchtone phone. Please note that the conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Gopal Chandak from Kirin Advisor. Please go ahead, sir.
Thank you. On behalf of Kirin Advisor, I welcome you all to Mangalam Worldwide Limited H1 FY24 Concall. From the management side, we have Mr. Chandragupta Prakash Mangal, Managing Director, Mr. Mohit Kailash Agrawal, Full-Time Director and Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Pagesh Kumar Soni, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. Now, I hand over call to Mr. Chandragupta Prakash Mangal. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Wishing you all good health and prosperity on the occasion of Navratri. This is the first investor conference call post a listing at NSE Emerge platform, and I am happy to welcome you to the H1 FY24 conference call to discuss H1 FY24 results. Before we delve into financial performance, I would first like to take you through the journey of Mangalam Worldwide till date. The Mangalam Group, established in 1942, has 4 different verticals of business, namely stainless steel, agri products, e-waste, and structured business. Mangalam Worldwide Limited was originally formed in year 1995, and since 2019, Mangalam Worldwide Limited has been into manufacturing of stainless steel products. Today, Mangalam Worldwide is engaged in manufacturing stainless steel billets and ingots, rolled SS flat bars and round bars, seamless pipes and tubes, heat exchanger tubes and U-tubes, with its fully integrated infrastructure consisting of steel melting shop, rolling mill, peeling and piercing facilities, along with finishing machines located in factories at various locations all over Gujarat in Halol, Changodar and Kapadganj. Company's plants are spread across 125,000 square meters. Halol plant has a capacity of 66,000 metric tons producing stainless steel billets and ingots, while Changodar plant has a capacity of 90,000 metric tons to roll stainless steel flat and round bars. The Kapadganj plant has a cumulative capacity of 28,800 metric tons. The company manufactures a wide range of stainless steel in various grades: 200 series, 300 series, 400 series, other austenitic, ferritic, martensitic grades, as well as special chemical composition grades like 17.4 pH duplex and super duplex steel. The main raw material in manufacturing is stainless steel scrap, mild steel scrap, ferroalloys, nickel, copper, and gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and argon. Today, our total workforce is 750 plus, and with a quality product, we are all set to meet the rising demand of stainless steel bars, billets, and seamless pipes and tubes, along with other products. Along with strengthening our foothold in the domestic market, we are forayed into the export market in 2022, and now we are working towards enhancing our presence in Europe, South America, and Asia Pacific region. We have a strong order book and expect the same in coming times. For FY23, the company on consolidated basis has reported total revenues of 645.94 crores and net profit of 16.64 crores. We came up with an IPO in FY23 with IPO size of 65.58 crores, and shares are listed on NSE Emerge. With this brief introduction, now I will take you through the financial performance for the first 6 months of FY24. I am happy to share with you that the company has reported remarkable growth in the first 6 months of the current year. Our total revenues were at 401.56 crores, registering a splendid 42.5% growth year on year. This indicates the robust demand for our quality products and customer stickiness towards steel products. Our EBITDA was at 17.3 crores, reported robust growth of 194.8% year on year, and our EBITDA margins have more than doubled to 4.6%. 0.31%. This is mainly due to our effective sourcing of raw material and stringent check on operational efficiency. Profit after tax was at 7.51 crores, up by 26.6% year-on-year, ending the bottom line with strong growth. India is the world's second largest producer of crude steel with an output of 125.32 million metric ton of crude steel and finished steel production of 121.29 million metric ton in FY23. India's finished steel consumption is anticipated to increase to 230 million metric ton by 2031 from 119.17 metric ton in FY23. India remains a bright spot in the global steel industry, and the steel demand in the country is expected to show a healthy growth of 7.3% and 6.2% in 23 and 24, compared to a global growth of 2.3% and 1.7% respectively, according to the short-range outlook of the World Steel Association. The rising infrastructure and industry growth provides impetus for steel demand. The strong performance of the H1 FY24 boosted our confidence, and we expect robust demand outlook for the rest of the year. Our efforts would be on introduction of new products, enhancing the sale of value-added products, and improve our profitability further while inching up our market share in the segment. With this demand outlook, now I'm happy to take questions from you all, if any. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on their touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handset while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. You may press star and 1 to ask a question. The first question is from the line of Bhavik Waghela from ULJK Financial Services. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. So, congratulations on the result for the company. Can you explain me what are the strategies do we have in place to enhance the EBITDA margin?
I'm sorry, I'm not able to hear you properly.
Just a second. Idil? Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
So, what are the strategies do we have in place to enhance our EBITDA margin?
So, we are looking at 2-3 things to enhance the EBITDA margins currently. We are improving our operational efficiencies across the manufacturing processes. This will include optimizing our supply chain, reducing the waste, and enhancing production methods. And by this, we aim to have lower costs and thereby improve our EBITDA margins. Secondly, we are exploring opportunities to diversify our product offerings, and this can help us tap into higher margin product segments and reduce dependence on any single market.
Okay. And can you just tell me what are our forward plans for improving them in the upcoming period? EBITDA margin improvement. So what is the forward plan to improve the EBITDA margin?
Yeah, like I just said, that the forward plan to improve the EBITDA margins, we are constantly working on improving the operational efficiency, which is reduce our costs, and as well as increasing our sales and getting into exports as well as higher margin products.
Okay. So, and I just have another question. can you just tell me what is the total production capacity and at what current level, what is the current capacity utilization?
Yeah, so like I had mentioned in the my opening statement, the manufacturing capacity for billets in the Halol unit is 66,000 metric ton per year. And you can say that the average utilization is approx 80%. The capacity for the Changodar unit is 90,000 metric ton, out of which the utilized capacity is 40%. And the Kaparwad unit, the capacity is 28,000 tons, out of which the utilized capacity is approx 50%.
Okay. Who are our primary clients?
So our primary clients actually include the reprocessors, you can say. Further material goes into industries like
Okay. Okay, that's it.
like engineering goods and fasteners manufacturing, forging, etc.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The next question is from the line of Ananya Swaminathan from C Square. Please go ahead.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so sir, I wanted to know what is the current contribution of exports to our total revenue and what are our projections for export growth in future?
So, like I said, we started exporting recently only in 2022, and currently the contribution is not a lot, but we are aggressively expanding. We have recently we exhibited also in international exhibition in Netherlands in SSW, and the plan going ahead is to capture the market by offering, since we are a fully integrated setup, we offer an edge from our competitors in the sense that our value-added items all have a strong backward integration provided by raw materials, quality raw materials, and traceability.
Okay. So in export market, do we achieve better profit margins or it is more focused on increasing sales volume?
No, in the export market, we definitely see higher profit margins, and hence we are exploring that. Firstly, we actually established ourselves and our products in the domestic market, and the next step now is to get into the export markets, where we are providing customers with the best quality material, which will increase our margins as well.
Okay, and what is the duration of our working capital cycle?
Currently, we are a stock inventory days is 53. The debtor cycle is around 39 days, and payables is 17 days. So the net cycle comes up to 2.5 months or 75 days.
Correct. Okay. And from which suppliers do we source our raw material?
So the raw material is both domestically and domestically sourced and also imported. There is no one supplier, but like half of material is imported and other half is procured domestically.
Okay. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Rahil Shah from Crown Capital. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
You've seen a good growth year on year, H1 FY23, and compared to this H1. So what led to this kind of growth? And going ahead, what makes you confident you'll be able to maintain this?
Sorry, can you just repeat the first half of the question?
Sure. I was asking, since you've seen such a good growth in this first half of HY24 compared to the last year, H1 FY23, so I wanted to know what changed this year and what were you able to do different led to such a growth?
So there has definitely been a good demand for our products. we've added new products as well, which are more value added, like seamless pipes and tubes and pipe bars. So mainly that. And also, like I said, we are all constantly working on the integration and improving our operational efficiencies. So this has also contributed quite a bit to the margins this year.
So one can expect these steps to be repeated going ahead, like adding more value-added products, and
yes.
This integration will continue, backward integration.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. You've also seen a good, 100 basis point jump in margins year on year. That is also expected to continue, or they can be better as well. What are sustainable margins?
I mean, better realization of, now we've got into value-added items which are priced also higher, and we get better realization in that. So going ahead, yeah, definitely we'll be targeting higher margins.
Okay. I'll get back in queue. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Vallabi Rungta from Robo Capital. Please go ahead.
Hi, thanks for the chance. It may sound repetitive, but I just wanted to know what expectations you have for your top line growth and margin growth for next coming 2 or 3 years.
We'll definitely continue to grow. That's what I'm saying. But we'll be improving year on year, and you can see the same in coming next half.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Yashwanti Khedkar from Individual Investment. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much. I just wanted to understand from you what are the product pipeline, what are the products in the pipeline for the new launches?
Sorry, I didn't understand. Product in pipeline?
Product in the pipeline for new launches.
New launch.
What are the new launches for?
Focusing more on the finished items more, such as bright bars, which includes different shapes and sizes as well, like round, hex, square, and as well as in pipes and tubes, we're entering into the finished product, which includes the instrumentation tubing, heat exchanger tubing, and U-tubes.
Okay. So does this product, can we classify this product as a high value added product?
Can you please repeat?
Can we classify this product as a high value added product?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the margin difference between the value added product and the normal product for us?
I mean, for that I'll have to get back to you because I do not have that in hand right now.
Okay. Sir, and would it be possible for you to give us the breakup, like how much the value-added product is contributing currently to our sales?
It is about 20% right now, 20 to 25%.
And what is the plan going ahead?
Yeah, so we're focusing on increasing it year on year. So it will definitely rise on the upper side line.
Okay. So, and just as the group has the 4 different business verticals, so is there any business diversification we can expect in the Mangalam Worldwide too?
No. Mangalam Worldwide Limited is just a stainless steel company, and it will remain to be a stainless steel company.
Okay. And sir, can you please guide me on your capex plans for the current year as well as for the next year?
So in current year, we are projecting to incur capex of around 15 crores in FY24. In FY25, we do not have further capex plans. We'll be focusing more on increasing our current efficiency and margin in the current setup.
Okay. Sir, this how it will be funded? 113 crores, how it will be funded?
Sorry?
How will you be funding this 115 crore ka capex?
That has already been sanctioned to us by our bankers, and we already have a margin in place for that.
Okay. So, and on the client side, is it possible for you to name our top clients?
No, I'm sorry, I won't be able to provide that information.
Okay. And how much the top 10 client or top 15 client would be contributing to our sales?
We contribute around 60 to 65%.
So it is very much concentrated on these clients, right, sir?
No, not at all. I mean, we are continuously adding more customers and increasing our volumes with all customers spread across India as well as exports.
Okay, so 65% comes from the top clients and 20% comes from your export. Is my understanding correct, sir?
No, 65% comes from the top 10-15 clients.
Yeah.
20% comes from the value-added products, including the
value. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. I'll come back in a few.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Shivam Sharma from TCR Cap. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. So my question was, can you provide more information on the company's customer base and geographical reach?
Customer base and?
Customer base and geographical reach.
Yeah, so as I had mentioned earlier, customer base includes users from different industries like engineering, goods, fasteners, forging, utensils, heat exchangers, etc. So it's quite wide in that since we are offering a lot of products. As far as geographical regions are concerned, we are present pan-India. We are supplying to more than 15 states in India, and as well as exports. In exports, we are present currently in the European region, the South American, and Pan-Asian region.
Great. How has the previous acquisition impacted the company's financial and operations?
It has been a great addition, and a positive impact has been created through that. We've added the last acquisition for us was the seamless pipes and tubes factory, and it is a value-added product. We are starting with piercing, and we are finishing our products in tubes.
Okay, sir. So, and also, what are the key factors that a company gives a competitive advantage?
So we are a fully integrated setup, right from steel melting shop up until processing pipes and tubes. So that is a key competitive advantage for us. Since the fully integrated setup helps us having the full quality in our hands, having the full traceability in our hands, and that enhances the customer's trust on us.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Ankit Kumar, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
yes.
Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir. So my question is, what are the current market trends and dynamics in the stainless steel industry?
Current market trends in the stainless steel industry.
Yes.
I mean, if you see the stainless steel demand overall has been increasing, people have started realizing the benefits of stainless steel over mild steel, the longevity of the product, the durability, of the product, and hence the stainless steel market the demand is constantly on the rise. So just an example, like in TMT bars as well. Earlier there used to be only mild steel TMT, but recently there has been a robust increase in demand for stainless steel TMT bars of 400 series.
Okay.
Day by day application is increasing.
So, what are the major risks and challenges the company faces in its operation and expansion plans?
We don't foresee any risks as such. One thing, as we're getting into exports, we're getting into having more opportunities. With that, there's only one thing that we need to be that needs to be taken note of, that China has been there in.
There is a lot of import restrictions across the world for products imported from China, and that gives an edge for India as a China plus one policy, and that gives us a lot of edge. The only challenge which we have or face is about quality, which we make sure that the quality is in place and the customer is fully satisfied as far as quality is concerned.
Okay. So thank you from my side.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Deepika Chheda from Cogin Finvest. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hello, sir. Can you outline the breakdown of how the company intends to utilize the funds which was raised from the IPO?
The funds that were raised from IPO was for working capital requirement, and the same has been utilized fully as per the objects of prospectus. It was working capital requirement.
Okay, and what percentage of the company's revenue comes from exports?
Currently, the percentage of exports is pretty low, and we are working towards increasing this share, and gradually in the second half we see a higher contribution from exports as we get repeat orders from the current customers who have bought from us as trial orders in the first half. So the share of exports will be pretty high in second half.
Okay, and could you elaborate on how the cost management strategies are used, especially in procurement of raw materials and energy resources?
Raw materials we have been buying from large suppliers from Middle East and Singapore, and there are large trading organizations, and we are back-to-back integrated as far as the imports are concerned. As soon as we get an order, we are hedged and we immediately procure raw material for the same. And so we are protected from the volatility of raw material rising, because currently there is a huge demand for 300 series imports material.
Okay, and my last question, are you planning to enter any new market, especially any international expansion?
No, we are not looking at any acquisition. We'll be ramping up our own operations and looking for exports too, as we just said that looking for exports at Europe, South America and Asia Pacific regions.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Yashwanti Khedkar, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks again for the opportunity. So I just want to understand, like, are you looking for any acquisition for product portfolio enhancement?
No, not currently. We have a wide variety of products, and we're just improving and increasing the sale of these products.
So then, do we have a presence in the pan India, or we are restricted to areas nearby the factory?
No, we just supplying pan India.
What is the distributor's network then in that case?
So we do have distributors present in certain regions, and we ourselves also sell directly to certain customers.
Okay, what is the count? How many distributors do you have currently?
5.
Right. Are you planning to increase in the current year?
No, we're satisfied with the current year, and we try to sell to them as well as direct sales.
Okay. And so this is the last question. The run rate of H1 will continue in the second half of the current year?
Sorry?
The run rate of the growth, because it's been seen in the H1, will it be continued in the H2 of current year?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Rahil Shah from Crown Capital. Please go ahead.
Yes, hi. Thank you for taking my question again. Can you please repeat the capex figure you mentioned for this year, and what will it be used for?
The current year capex figure is 15 crores, and this is towards adding more finishing facilities for the value-added products.
Did you say 15 crores?
Yeah, 15.
15, okay. And that is for finishing facilities?
Machines for the
machines,
the value-added products.
Right, okay. And all of this will come in the second half, or some amount has been spent?
Yes, second half.
Second half, okay. Thank you, and all the best.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. A reminder to all the participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. As there are no further questions from the participant, I now hand the conference over to Mr. Gopal Chandak from Kirin Advisor for closing comments.
Thanks everyone for joining the conference call of Mangalam Worldwide Limited. If you have any query, you can write us at info@kirinadvisors.com. Once more, thank you everyone for joining the conference.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Kirin Advisor, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us. You may now disconnect your lines.